hearings, yun yung pinakang productive eh. Ang dami namin na ipasang batas. And yun nga, yung 16th Congress, doon namin na ipasa yung pag-increase ng allowance ng mga sundalo, pulis, kumaga, we came full circle simula nung 2007 na pinangako ko ito, yung modernization, then nagawa ko. At hindi lang yon yung aming good governance advocacy, the first step of which is to raise the salaries of the government employees. Ginawa rin yan. I believe hindi ako nagkulang on that front. At lahat yan nangyari dun sa mga Civil Service Committee hearings na non-controversial but very, very productive. Ang dami naming napasang batas na nag-upgrade ng mga ilang professional regulatory laws. Yun.